Hi, in this video we are going to see about how the acid is being regulated in the body. So, the acid is continuously produced throughout the day. There is an exact balance between the production and the removal of acids from the body. So, for example, when you take a 1 liter of plasma and you are measuring the sodium ions in it, and it will be approximately equal to 142 milliequivalents per liter. But when you consider hydrogen ions, it will be very low, 0.00004 milliequivalents per liter. So from this you know how the hydrogen ions are very precisely regulated by the body. Now the question that comes to your mind, why it should be highly regulated? Because our enzymes don't work when there is a disturbance in the hydrogen ions, so the cells die ultimately. And the second question that comes, how it is regulated so precisely? We have 3-line defenses in our body. Before going to the 3-line defenses, let us recall some basic. What are the volatile acids? That is carbon dioxide. And what are the non-volatile acids, like say sulfuric acid or carbonic acid, etc. Now coming to the 3-line defenses in the body. The first line, that is the buffers. So what the buffers do, it simply combines with the hydrogen ions. What are the buffers here? The main buffer in our body is the bicarbonate. Some of other buffers we can say, like say phosphate, ammonia, or proteins. Very important protein, that is hemoglobin. And now number 2, lungs. How the lungs regulate the acid. Whenever the partial pressure of carbon dioxide goes up in our blood, this stimulates the respiratory centers in the medulla. So whenever the respiratory centers are stimulated, the lungs starts to hyperventilate. So when the lungs hyperventilate, the carbon dioxide again becomes normal. And the same vice versa. When the carbon dioxide level in the blood goes down, the respiratory centers are inhibited and the lungs hypoventilate and the carbon dioxide becomes normal. Now, the most important and effective defense here is our kidney. But it takes some time, it takes days. How the kidney regulates our acids. Now, whenever the hydrogen ions goes up, our kidney starts to reabsorb bicarb, or it generates new bicarb. And also hydrogen ions are excreted from our body. So by these two mechanisms, the kidney regulates the acids. Now it is very clear that we have 3-line defenses in our body. One is the buffers. The example, bicarbonate, phosphate, ammonia, hemoglobin. And other is the lungs, hyperventilate or hypoventilate, and the kidneys, reabsorption of bicarb and generation of bicarb and acid secretion. And that concludes acid-base balance. In the next video, we'll see about renal acid secretions, this section in detail, and also some of acid-base disorders. Thank you for listening this video. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. And if you want to contact our team, I have given our mail ID in the description box below. Thank you.